Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today we've got kind of a unique unboxing, a couple of impulse buys from our buddies over at White Mountain Knives. Of course, you can use the code Javon10 at checkout at White Mountain Knives to save 10%. That's what I did. And we will get into this unboxing. First thing I want to do though, as always, is thank the channel members. Thank you guys so much. And thank any of you that are stopping by to watch my unboxing, to watch my knife reviews, overviews, my knife content. I appreciate you so much. I do ask, if you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you'd hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it really helped me out. The unboxing knife I'm going to use today, and I had a comment that I've got to get back to about replacement blades for this knife. I have not thoroughly checked the blades that it'll take. I know that I have some carbon tool steel blades that I bought for my Surge Panchenko, and they do not fit. So I don't know if this is just cut a little different because I could not get those others in, but I will investigate and let you know, and I will reply to that comment. I'm just terrible at internet comments. But anyways, let's get into this. This is the longer box, which usually is indicative of one thing. I'm coming at this at a weird angle, so hopefully I won't slice myself open. Peanuts. Guys, it's been a while since I've ordered a couple of Tucsons. So that's what we have here today. We have a couple of Tucsons. Interesting Tucsons. Starting with this little guy. I thought this was interesting. It is in D2. But for what it is, my Tucsons usually get used, and then firstly, I will tell you it is bigger and chunkier than it looked on the page. And again, they all come, all the Tucsons I've gotten, my little TS 150 that I gave away, and all the others come with this type of belt clip. But the holes are conventional, so they'll fit straps or they'll fit ulti-clips. But guys, this was pretty cool. What this is, and I could care less about the can opener, but it's a little utility knife or a little small EDC fixed blade that's got a pry bar. Wow, it's wicked sharp. Guys, I want to say this was 35, 40 bucks. Before my 10% Javon 10 discount. So what we've got is we've got what looks like a Moksari. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. As a matter of fact, I'm sure I am, but that's his maker's mark. I've got it on a lot of my Tucsons. We've got a can opener here. We've got a pry bar with a nail puller. And then we have a real tight little 1/4 inch. Look how tight that is, guys. Of course, if I was going to be screwing, I would put my handle on, see if it's tight on both sides. These are Weehaw bits. But yeah, I mean, that would work in a situation where you needed it to, because it's not falling out. It's one of those that you kind of got to put it in with a little bit of purpose. So yeah, we've got us a EDC fixed blade slash pry bar slash bit driver slash can opener, which again, I could care less about the can opener because I could get in with that pry bar. I wish that was straight. I don't feel it, I'll be honest with you. I'm more likely to feel that in the butt of my hand. But yeah, that's a cool little Tucson TS 238, I'm guessing. I'm guessing that's what that is, a TS 238. In D2, we will check this out, do a review on it. Really good retention on the sheath. I'll of course have to get rid of that. But let's move on and see what we have here. This interested me, guys, just because of the look. And again, I buy a lot of Tucsons. I'm sitting it on there because it's so freaking oily. Get my Devo rag, toss it in there like a baby. So what we have here, guys, is the Tucson TS 396 M3. And this was an interesting knife for a couple of reasons. I love the big blade. It reminded me of a knife that I gave away not too long ago. It is M390. It's a numbered series. Whoever Keanu is, I guess the designer, number 151. It's very hefty. I mean, it feels like, I don't mean heavy, I mean it feels like a knife. Let's get some paper because it feels like it's going to be a frickin' laser beam. Guys, it's a therapeutic cutter. I haven't even played with the action yet, except the detent, which was spot money on that first flick. The blade intrigued me too much. It took my attention off. Cutter error. Well, it's very, very slicey. Tall, flat grind. I think that's a flat grind. Yeah, tall, flat grind. Internal lock. Little tiny flipper hole that is the only way to deploy it. But you can get to it very easily. And it flicks or slow rolls or thumb flicks, if you're a thumb flipper, very easily too. Got a nice little mill. Let's see if that's a titanium clip. Mill titanium clip. Huh, I got my little leg in there. Sorry about that, guys. Goes in and out of pocket very, very easily. It's a cool knife, guys. The Tucson TS 396. So this must be a later release. It's got great action. T8s all the way around, titanium with inset carbon fiber. The carbon fiber that looks like cloth, right? I guess you'd call that just regular carbon fiber sheets. Nice jimping on the blade, nice neutral handle. Very well done sharpening choil. Look at that plunge, comes straight down to right here. And your blade doesn't have any increase in thickness to like right here. So I think they did a good job on that. So it's Keanu TS 396 M390 number 151 by Tucson. Drop shutty action. I like the sounds it makes. I like the full size. I do feel the clip. So guys, a couple of Tucsons for an unboxing on a Friday afternoon. If you guys watch this on a Friday afternoon, come by and hang out with me at Friday Night Flicks tonight. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the content. I appreciate everything you guys do to support the channel by watching the content. I do ask you to subscribe if you're so inclined, but most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.